Hello everyone, we discuss about in steel structure, the topic is types of joints. First of all, introduction to bolts connections. Now, types of joints depending upon arrangement of bolt and plates, depending upon mode of load transmission, depending upon nature and location of load. Now, depending upon arrangement of bolts and plates, there are two types, lap joint. Further, lap joint classified as single line bolting, chain bolting, staggered or zigzag bolting. Butt joint, single bolting, chain bolting, staggered or zigzag bolting. Now, chain bolting, in this case, a symmetrical manner voltage provided. Zigzag, unsymmetrical manner voltage provided. Diamond bolting, diamond shape of bolting is provided. Now, first one is the single bolted lap joint. This diagram shows single bolted lap joint. Because of one place you have joined the two plates. Triple bolted lap joint, that is, we have provided three plates and then joined it. Single bolted, single cover butt joint. That means in butt joint, the plate is parallel and covered to place. That means single bolted, single cover butt joint. Single bolted, double cover butt joint. That means you can provide plate upper portion and lower portion both sides. But single bolted, we have provide only one direction. That means upward, not downward. But single bolted, double covered butt joint, we have provided both top and bottom plate, and bolting is provided. Double bolted, double cover butt joint. This shows the double bolted, double cover butt joint. Now, types of bolt joints depending upon the mode of load transmission, single shear, double shear, or multiple shear. Now, depending upon the mode of load transmission, this diagram shows single shear, double shear, and multiple shear. That means first one is the one place, one bolt is provided. That means one force is considered. Here two force is considered double, and third is P1, P2, P3, 4, etc. will be considered. Now, types of bolt joints depending upon nature and location of load: direct shear connection, eccentric connection, pure moment connection, moment shear connection. Now, direct shear connection, this diagram shows here bolting is provided in the symmetrical manner and direct shear connection is provided. In both directions, force will be applied, same force P. Now, eccentric connection, that means one extra plate will be provided. That plate is known as gusset plate. This plate is known as gusset plate and load will be provided on the gusset plate. Now, pure moment connection. In this case, moment will be considered, that is couple downward force and upward force created. That means moment will be created. Now, moment shear connection. This diagram shows the moment shear connection. Now, the following are the failure modes of a bolt joint. First one is the shear failure of the bolt, bearing failure of the bolt, tensile failure of the bolt, shear failure of the plate, bearing failure of the plate, tensile failure of the plate, etc. Now, first diagram shows shear failure bolt, single shear. Second one is the double shear. Now, things to remember for bolted connections. First one is the stress concentration results in a considerable decrement in the tensile strength. Loose fit of the joint can reduce the stiffness, which may result in excessive deflections. Vibrations can cause losing of nuts, which can jeopardize the safety of structure. Now, criteria for designing bolted joints with axial loaded members. First one is the length of the joint should be as small as possible to save material on cover plates and gusset plates. Gusset plates is the extra plates provided for the plates connection. The central line of all members meeting at a joint should coincide at one point only, otherwise the joint will twice out of positions. Now, the number of bolts should be increased gradually towards the joint for uniform stress distribution in bolts. Now, again, criteria for designing bolted joint with axial loaded members. First one is that the arrangement should satisfy the pitch, gauge, and edge distance requirement. We have already discussed pitch, gauge, or edge distance in the previous lecture. Now, the strength of the joint reduced due to the bolt holes. The reduction in area due to bolt holes can be minimized by arranging in a zigzag form. This is the diagram, bolt connection. How can you create the bolt section? That means you have a study about in this class how can provide the bolt, connection of bolting, failure of bolting. Basically, हमने discuss किया different types of failure, shear failure, bearing failure, shear failure due to shear, bear failure due to bearing, a tensile for the extra force tensile. Same thing in plate and bolt both. Three failure will be considered shear failure, bearing failure, but in most cases, numerical cases, shear failure and bearing failure of bolt will be considered. This diagram shows the double bolted, double cover butt joint, means upper plate, two plates parallel, and one plate provide top, one plate provide the bottom, and before connection 2 bolt provided, and after connection 2 bolt provided. That means double bolted, double covered butt joint. This diagram shows the gusset plate, etc. Okay, thank you.